Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well after winning the $1,000. Yesterday, I will give you another video with another chance to win another $1,000 minimum if you follow the instructions and know how to play. First of all, I have to say that I have no any other account but this account on YouTube. I do not have neither Telegram nor Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any other tool. So let's start. The first match is Slavia Prague versus Lille, the French team. Slavia Prague will score at least one goal. If they score only one, you will be refunded, but if they score more than one goal, you will win the bet. The second match is Midtjylland versus Slovan Bratislava. Will be double chance. Either Midtjylland will win or draw the match. The third match is this match. I do not know the names very well, but will be like this. The first team will score at least 2 goals. If they score 2 goals, you will be refunded, but if they score more than 2 goals, you will win the bet. Atletico Bilbao versus Valencia. First half will be goals, okay? We do not care which team of these teams will win, but a goal will be guaranteed. Okay, the fourth match, Real Valladolid versus Leganes, will be double chance. One of these teams will win. They won't draw, or you can play goals. Leganes will score at least 1 goal. The other match is Real Athletic Madrid versus Espanyol. We bet on Athletic Madrid as usual. The other match is Real Sociedad versus Deportivo Alaves. First half will be goals, okay? Over 1 goal, over 0.5 goals. So 1 goal will be scored in the first half of the match. We will still have 2 matches. We'll choose one from this match. Ghent versus Partizan Belgrade. Ghent will win the first half. Okay. The last match will be from EPL is West Ham United versus Bournemouth. West Ham United will score at least 1 goal. Okay. This is the matches: Slavia Prague, Slovan, Vesna, Athletic Bilbao, Real Valladolid, Atletico Madrid, Real Sociedad, and Ghent, and also West Ham. So the bet will be like this. If you play it with $100, you will get 2,966.48 euros or dollars. Okay? Take care of yourselves and see you later. Please, before I remember, play each 3 matches in a separate ticket. Okay? So here I gave you 3 tickets. Take care of yourselves and see you later.